If you are wondering what is the recommended charger for Xiaomi 17, let me quickly answer the question for you. So the recommended power adapter should have at least 100 watts. It should also use PD 3.0, QC3 Plus, or PPS. In this case, if you manage to get such a power adapter, you should be able to reach the fastest charging speed possible, and this is because Xiaomi 17 can be charged using up to 100 watts. Of course, if you get a faster power adapter, that's completely fine, it's going to work as well. If you get less than that, it's fine too, it's going to work as well, but of course the charging speed is going to be slightly slower compared to a power adapter with exactly 100 watts. Of course, ideally, the most optimal choice is going to be a genuine Xiaomi power adapter, and the original cable that we have inside the box is USB-A to USB-C, so the port in the power adapter should also be USB-A if you want to use the cable, the original cable, which is something that I can also recommend you to do. And yeah, in that case, of course, the best choice will be a Xiaomi power adapter with 100 watts, but you can go for an alternative. It is not really necessary to go for a Xiaomi power adapter. It is the recommended choice, but not necessary. So if you're looking for some cheaper options, you can try to get, for example, an Oppo or Realme or OnePlus power adapters. They are going to be fine as well. Also Samsung, Motorola, these brands, of course, well-known brands are, of course, usable as well. I would avoid using knockoff brands, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.